Egregore. Definition: a non-physical entity created by the collective thoughts, beliefs, and emotions of a group of people. It is a concept from occultism that can be either positive or negative, depending on the group's intentions, and can become an autonomous force that influences its members. Examples include religious deities, national identities, or the spirit of a corporation or sports team. Now the question then is, are you living conscious, creating egregores of your life, or are there egregores that are running your life? Something worth reflecting on.